Hello, my dear viewers. Welcome to Pharma Job Alert YouTube channel. Friends, in this channel, we are going to post job updates like daily. So, coming to the vacancies from SKYMAP, so they are hiring for Rokra and Jammu. So, this is a walk-in interview on 11th June 2023, 8:30 a.m. onwards till 5 p.m. for their OSD facility. So, here you can see they are looking for senior manager or assistant manager, quality assurance, B Farm, M Farm, 10 to 15 years of experience, and for production manager or senior manager, 10 to 15 years of experience. For formulation development, senior manager, M Pharma, 12 to 17 years of experience, and manager engineering projects B.Tech, Mech or Civil, 10 to 15 years, and executive QA, M.Sc, B Pharma or M Pharma, 6 to 8 years, and executive microbiology, M.Sc, microchemistry, 6 to 8 years. For executive formulation development, B Pharma, M Pharma, 6 to 8 years. Product development expertise in injectables and OSD. So likewise vacancies are there, please check them. The interview venue, Hotel Ganj, Nalagar Highway.